Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get unlimited time in BIKII Cloud Gaming. Start by checking your account tier and session caps, then prioritize safe, non-exploit methods that respect service terms. Use device settings to reduce timeouts, keep network stability high, and automate harmless keep-alive signals. Monitor usage to avoid violations, and consider paid tiers when available to legitimately extend session lengths while protecting your account and data. Begin with device tweaks, disable sleep and screen timeouts, and set performance mode to prevent interruptions. Next, stabilize your network with wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and reduce other bandwidth use. Then add gentle keep-alive techniques such as harmless periodic inputs or application pings that mimic activity without breaking rules. Finally, watch for account limits and spread sessions across respecting terms and safety keeps your account and progress intact, so always read the service rules before applying tweaks. If you need more time, evaluate paid plans that offer extended sessions rather than risky workarounds. Use monitoring tools to track session length and set alerts before limits are reached, and avoid sharing credentials or using third-party hacks that could compromise your privacy or result in bans.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.